Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Otter AI login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in to your account, stuck on the login page, or receiving an error message, this guide will help you troubleshoot the problem step by step. First, open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Otter AI from loading properly or completing the login process. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. Even a small typing mistake can stop you from accessing your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the instructions sent to your inbox to create a new password. Now check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. If you don't receive the password, reset email within a few minutes. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try signing in again. Old browser data can sometimes cause login problems. If the issue continues, try using a different browser or open an incognito window to see if the problem is related to browser settings or extensions. Now, if you normally sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, make sure you're using the same sign-in method that was used when the account was created. Next, temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extension that could interfere with the login process, and then try again. Finally, if you're still unable to access your account, contact Otter AI support and provide details about the issue or any error messages you're seeing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Otter AI login issues step by step. You should now be able to access your account and continue using Otter AI without interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone!